I have mussels, boiled eggs, jalapeno sausage slices, imitation crab legs. You can find them at Sam's. They slipping on these. Go get you some. Adding my butter. My butter has melted. Add in my garlic. And my onions. After my onions have cooked about 5 minutes, add in my sauces. I'm going to add in some mussels, some sausages, boiled eggs, and add a little mix. And now, just lay in the imitation crab legs. Make sure the stove is on low and just let that simmer. Hey, PattyKakes here. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Set it to all so you'll never miss a PattyKakes recipe. Thank you for supporting our kitchen.